Alright, good afternoon, Kamotorads. So, this afternoon, I will be doing some change oil for my TVS XL100. No? So, oil to be used or choice of oil na gagamitin natin is itong Motor Road ng ELF 10W40. So, ito yung recommended na for TVS na yung 10W40 na Zaso MA2 APISN. So, ayan. So, there are a lot of oils naman, oil brands, but I use this ELF. So, try ko tong ELF kasi nagamit ko na sa Bergman. And ELF is a reputable brand na okay mag-perform. Matagal na siya sa actually sa industry, and nagpa-participate siya sa mga different na motorsports. So ito yung natin, and ELF. And of course, preparing for the din sa upcoming. So maybe though matagal pa naman, pero this coming May, so I plan to participate pa rin sa DGR. So Distinguished Gentleman Ride. Then since already more than 10,000 kilometers na, or let's say 12,000 kilometers na yung natakbo ng ating workhorse. So, based din sa manual, maintenance manual, need to change the spark plug. So, spark plug na gamitin natin is Hella. Ayan, it is a German brand. So, itatry natin tong twin electrode composition motorcycle spark plug. Actually, I'm finding sana na NGK dun sa motorcycle shop, but wala silang available stock. And for me naman, basta as long na it serves its purpose. So, kahit anong brand or basta pasok yung na-configuration for sa TVS, then yun yung gagamitin natin. So, this time, try natin tong Hella. Ayan, 12,000. So, i-warm up lang natin ng onte para medyo lumabnaw yung oil. Onti lang naman, saglit lang. Just a few minutes lang. We don't want na to get it hot din naman. So, I guess nakapag-circulate na yan. And enough naman na ito. Ang init. So, turn off na natin. Let's check yung oil. Uy, yay. Well, I think okay pa yung oil, oh. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-item. Pero since diligent ako or timely, hindi naman timely, but sinusunod ko yung as much religiously yung yung maintenance book. So every 3,000 nag-change ako ng oil. Okay, to save you from trouble. So yung nut size nung sa ilalim is nung oil cap. Sorry, ano ba yan? Yung nut size for the oil cap is 16mm. Ayan. So preferably gamitin yung ganito hexagon para iwas bingot or yung matatapyasan yung gilid. Ayan. So 16 guys, 16. Then of course, para maayos, meron tayong Jollibee pan. Actually this is to strain for the used oil. Okay, let's do this for vlog sake. Okay, yeah. Okay, tapos na natin i-drain. So ikakabit na natin to ulit yung oil cap. Then make sure na huwag itong kakalimutan itong drain, oil filter. Ayan. So mauna to. And mauna to pag ganun. Then after, then next this. So ganito niya lang siya insert, okay? Yep, let's go. Saan nakita? Okay. Okay. Then let's tighten it. Para hindi rin mahirapan yung next na maggagawa, i-tight nyo lang siya ng saktuhan lang na port. Kung may kayo, torque wrench, better. Pero kung wala, yung saktong maklose lang siya. Kasi hihigpit naman dun sa later on pag nagkaroon na ng pressure at saka init built up sa engine. So since walang kasamang parang nozzle para itong container ng ELF, so buti na lang meron tayong imbudo. So, and by the way pala, no, naka-indicate naman dito na 900 ml yung kailangan for change oil and full 1 liter kapag nag-disassemble ng engine. So, dito naman may indication yung container kung ilan ml. Ayan. So, I believe here is by hundreds. Okay. Let's fill her up. Okay. Let's check. Yun. Alright. Okay, change oil is done. So, next na natin itong spark plug. So, yung SP natin, yung Sparky, is dito lang naman siya. Ayan, subutin natin. Oh. Ayaw niya magpugot. Come on. There you go. Ayan. Oh. CPR? Parang feel ko NGK ito. So, palitan na natin. So, a brief history of this. Alam ko nagpalit ako ng spark plug nung tawag dito. Trying to revive this water bike. And let's see. So, kailan lang ba yun? I think 2 years ago. So, let's see kung okay pa siya. Oh. I think medyo maitim na. I don't know if you can see clearly. Ayan. Pero yung gap, ayun. And I think considered maitim na yun. Ayan. So, I think it's ano ba to? Si NGK. And so palitan natin siya. Papalitan natin. So I think yung carb ko is running on lean. I guess. No, I mean I think it's rich. Ano ba yan? Rich in fuel. So kaya medyo maitim. Pero I think okay naman siya. No too much carbon deposit. And by the way, since nung binuhay ko yung TVS ulit, we're running on a 97 octane na gasoline. So neat gasoline. So ayan, kaya siguro maitim, sunog na sunog talaga. And ayun, medyo may mga carbon dito sa gilid and some traces of corrosion, rust. Hindi pala corrosion rather, but rust build up dito kasi masyadong exposed yung sa TVS eh. So pag naulanan, so ang expect mo, naulanan yung bakal, tapos natuyuan, then corrosion, then yun, magkakaroon ng rust. Okay, palitan natin yung bago. Okay, so let's compare the two. So itong used is NGK na CPR6EA 9, and itong papalit natin is Hella. Ayan, Hella na Energy. CD10N 70 na dual tip. Okay, let's go. So again, saktong tight lang. So after change oil and change SP spark plug, so now let's test it. Hopefully gumana siya. Okay. Alright. Nice. Okay. I-road test muna natin to. Street. Ano pala, among the street test lang. Street test. Alright. So yun na, quick recap guys. So done na yung change oil natin for TVS XL 100 aka may Brahmus. So ayun, successful naman siya, wala naging problem. Then street test ko muna siya. Then after this siguro linisan ko na lang din siya. So ayun, so thank you for watching guys. Till the next vlog. Bye.